Guys, there we have a OPPO A57s, and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse photo search in the Google. So we can do it by two ways. Now, first way is from Google Lens, so we have to open our gallery. Now choose the photo what you want to search in the Google. Okay, and click here on Google Lens. And now I'm looking for this photo in the Google. By the other way, we can try it in the web browser. We have to open Google Chrome or any other. Go to google.com. And click here. It's very important, you have to enable desktop side. As you can see, now we have a small camera icon here. Click on it and click upload a file. Click allow, and now just look for the photo what you want to search in the Google. Click it and click done. Now the photo is uploading. And how you can see, it worked perfectly. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.